Hello, this is a video demo of beta version 3.13 of the AI Code Monitor tool. In this current release, we have enhanced the calculation of the ROI of AI. So the first thing we are going to look at is at the repo group level. You have seen before that we had introduced the ROI through the productivity achievement and potential productivity captured. Now we are going to talk about something called as the total impact, which you can see based on the saved time and cost. Now measuring of ROI of AI happens at the repository group level or the product level. The technical lead or the CTO of an organization can look at the total impact over here in the saved time and cost, so hours and the dollars that has happened as a result of GenAI usage in the various repository groups. Now, depending upon the productivity achievement and the number of developers in each repository group, the technical leads can see the impact in terms of the cost and the time is saved across the repository groups. Now, to view this calculation, you'll have to set the number of developers and the average developer yearly cost in the settings area. And apart from that, we are assuming currently 1500 working hours annually for every developer in that particular organization. So in this case, what you can see is front end code is the repository group name, productivity achievement is 12%, potential productivity captured is 100%, and total impact it is showing as 3600 hours, and which is the time saved annually. And $12,000 is the cost saved annually. And for that, as I said, you have to go to the settings area, and under the organization information you have to mention what is the average developer yearly cost. Once you enter this dollar figure, then you can expect to see in the repository group page under total impact the dollar savings that you get, which is the cost. The other setting that you have to do is at the repository group level, you have to enter the number of developers that are working in this particular repository group. Now basis that, this calculation of total impact happens. The second enhancement that we have done is that when you're on the repository group, if you have set up those numbers for the annual expense per developer and the number of developers per repository group and other settings, you get this total impact number around over here for hours and dollars. Now, if you have set it for separate repository groups, you can see the different calculations that is valid for that specific repo group, and you can get an idea of how different repository groups are having this ROI impact over here. The other enhancement that you will see is that when you are going to the home page, you will see a rolled up number. So the CTO and the other senior executives can view this rolled up number of the three stats, which is the productivity achievement percentage, the potential productivity captured, and the total impact, which is the time and the cost savings. Now, this displays the weighted average of the productivity achievement percentage and the weighted average of the potential productivity captured across all repository groups of this organization. While this total impact is the total of the hours saved and the cost saved across all repositories of this organization. So in this case, this is the sum total of the savings that you have done across the repo groups. Now, if I look at the demonstration over here, the two repository groups that you had seen, which had these numbers of total impact and also productivity achievement and potential productivity captured. Looking at this, if you are going to the home page, now the calculation looks at like 9% for productivity achievement, 67% for potential productivity captured, and 5,000 plus hours and $17,000 as total impact. Now this is the rolled up number at an organization level, gives you a executive summary that what is happening in terms of ROI of AI across the organization. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share any feedback you have for us. Definitely, like always, looking forward to share further enhancements on the AI Code Monitor tool in the next video. Stay tuned.